Hey guys, this is Alex with Lightspeed Construction coming to you from a roof that desperately needs repairs. To be honest with you, it needs a new roof. I'm gingerly walking on this roof, making sure that I'm not going to fall through it. There are multiple holes in it that have concaved the roof. The biggest thing being the tree damage right here. The tree fell on the side, ruining the soffit fascia and the gutters, so that's why it's leaking. You can see dents in the roof right there, right by that red thing, and then all around there, that pipe boot right there, that is ruined as well. There's a hole right there. That's probably the leak where the shingles are coming out. In terms of the top part of the shingle, it's also caved pretty well. What needs to happen is new boards, completely new boards, need to be had. All these nail pops are happening, and like I said, I'm a little bit scared, but you can see undulations, and you can see why that they are having leaks here. Also, the gutters are full, completely blocked, clogged. There are weeds growing out of them as well. This is a case, A1 for a new roof. Thank you very much. Again, Alex with Lightspeed Construction.